What's good everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're looking at 5 meme coins which could make some insane potential crypto gains out here in this explosive crypto market. Right, so we have corrected a little bit in the crypto market. That's not a problem. We're still looking very strong. Bitcoin halving coming very soon, and I still think at some point in 2024 we're going to see Shiba, Pepe, all those big coins go back to their all-time highs, which means overall meme coins are still a strong narrative, especially in a bull market. So this starts with coin number 1 over here, everybody, and it's going to be Dogecoin 20, because only 15 days remain until Dogecoin 20 does go live, which is on International Doge Day, April 20. You can see they've now raised over $10 million. It will be done in just 15 days, so time is indeed running out for this particular one right here. Now, why does this excite me? There's no more inflation, unlike coins like the normal Dogecoin, which has tons of inflation. It's plagued with a very large supply in the trillions. So yeah, really excited to see this because it's got a strong roadmap. Recently we saw coins like Bayat, Meme Combat, Smog go absolutely parabolic, so we could potentially also see coins just like Dogecoin 20 do that as well, especially in the heat of the market that we're seeing now. 140 billion tokens, that is all that will ever exist for Dogecoin 20, giving it that bullish edge over the existing Dogecoin. 12.7k followers at the moment, claim going live on April 20, as we can see right here on their Twitter page. So that's coin number 1. If you like the look of that, research it down below, buy down below. If you're wondering how you do get it, it's an ERC20 coin, but you can also buy it on BNB if you want to. That's where you can't stake, although I don't honestly recommend staking. And this is where you buy. So you hear that MetaMask, you convert Ethereum or Tether into your Doge 20 tokens. This takes us to coin number 2. For coin number 2, it says Slothana. This is Sloth, inspired heavily by Book of Meme, Slurf, and Pondu. These are all Solana ecosystems. So Slothana is a Solana-based meme coin, and it's one of the send to Solana type of coins. 1 SOL equals 10,000 Sloth. The current raise is 7.69 million, which is pretty cool. You can also just send SOL directly to this Solana address right here, although I would advise the more sort of user-friendly method and doing it this way. Connect your Phantom wallet and send your Solana into Sloth tokens. So 1 SOL equals 10,000 Sloth, everybody. That is what it is. Then you wait for the airdrop, you wait for the launch, which I believe is happening quite soon. Tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale completes, date TBC. Keep your eye on the wallet for the arrival of your Sloth tokens, everybody. This is Slothana on Twitter. They have 10k followers. Cheeky little guy right there. A classic look, being a sloth. So that is what it's all about. It's another big one that could potentially go wild, and they're obviously getting a lot of attention from Solana whales out there in the Twitter space. This brings us to coin number 3, which is Think. Think different, by the way. Think different being their slogan. This is Steve Jobs, the Steve Jobs dog right there, as you can see. So there is indeed a pre-sale leaderboard, because this is another very similar one. Now we can see on the pre-sale leaderboard there is someone holding 100,000 Think, got someone else doing 34,000 Think as well, and I think this could potentially actually do pretty well. This one here, I've got a good feeling about it overall. Select wallet, of course it's Phantom, because we're on the Solana ecosystem. They have raised 618.8 Solanas, as we can see right there. So they're slowly growing. They're on Pink Sale as well, which is really cool to see. Pink Sale is obviously this site here where you can go and also purchase into these low market cap degen coins. But we can see right here they've raised 67 Solana at the moment, which is still very early days. I believe that is also on the website. Oh, it's actually saying 618.8 sols raised, so this could be delayed slightly. And overall, if we look at the soft cap, it says 3,750 Solana, which is $700 million of valuation, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But overall, I feel pretty bullish on this one as well, being thinkdifferent.io right there. I've got a link down below for all of these, including Slothana as well. But this looks overall pretty good. There we can see the allocation. We can see as well They've got a Telegram, which you can also join if you wanted to, with already 2K members in it. And of course, they have a big Twitter page as well of 16K followers. They're doing actually a random airdrop to people who retweet and drop their Solana addresses to this particular tweet right here that we can see on the screen. Hence why it's got so many, you know, overall addresses. The minimum purchase is 0.1 Solana. So this could be another big one, guys. The supply here is 2.2 billion max tokens, as we can see. But yeah, I think this could be good. There's no buy or sell tax. Freeze authority is revoked. LP is burned after launch. Now remember, all of these coins here, whether it's Doge 20, Slothana, and of course Think as well, they all come with a level of risk. So this is not like, you know, no risk, no high reward. This is high risk, high reward, and not financial advice. But yeah, do some research on that one down below should you be interested. Now the next one is going to be Book of Meme. Of course, this is where a lot of these massive coins have been inspired. All these Solana ecosystem coins are very inspired by Book of Meme. I personally think when we do see the markets flip more bullish, Book of Meme will take a bullish reversal back to maybe 3 cents, 4 cents, maybe even hit some all-time highs at like 5 cents or something like that. So still think Book of Meme is, of course, one of the good ones to be buying out there, especially during this corrective phase. We've seen it come down from 1.39 bill to 865 million. It actually came down to 500 million, so you can see big correction. But at the moment, it is in a steady looking uptrend, still stuck in an ascending channel. And at some point, I do think we'll either move very harshly to the upside or the downside, but my gut feeling tells me it'll be up. But yeah, there's the Book of Meme website. How can, it just shocks me that this is worth millions and millions of dollars. Coin number 5 will be Slurf token. Looking at Slurf, we have seen Slurf go from parabolic levels of $500 million valuation down to the mid and low $200 million. So I personally think, you know, being a contrarian thinker and looking at this downtrend, I think we're getting close to the bottom. If you look, just before the initial massive pump, this was a key area of support at 40 cents. It's already had a big correction. I don't really think, you know, if it's gonna bounce too much more to the downside from this level. Of course, this is high risk, high reward, but I do think we could potentially also see Slurf go back up in price at some point soon, especially when we see that meme coin rebound. But you can see already Slurf is starting to get a bit of a bounce from this particular region, which is of course a key area of support. Hard to say where it will go to because we've got tons of resistance over here as well. And I guess if that is going to be a resistance barrier, then at least we could sort of like, you know, say to ourselves, well, you know, we've got support here, this is resistance. So not the biggest quantity of upside potential. 20% move to get back to that previous price target over there could happen. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I honestly don't know. But again, good TVL, low sort of market cap ish, 10x potential for the future is still there. And that's a wrap, guys. So to summarize this video, we have Dogecoin 20. The link is down below if you want to research or buy it. Same with Slothana. Same also with Think here, Think Different, which is another really cool one. Just very simple with the, you know, the Steve Jobs dog. And then of course we have Book of Meme, which you can buy on exchange, and also Slurf as well, which you can buy on exchange. I'd recommend using MEXC for the link down below as well. So there's a myriad of choices. Don't know which will do great. Some might not even do well at all. You know, we don't know the future, but this is all speculation. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you very soon and stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Peace.